Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing only what's necessary. Open the project folder in VS Code and confirm extensions are enabled. Once done, install the live server extension from the extensions pane and reload VS Code if prompted. Make sure your root HTML file is present and active in the editor. You're doing this because live server serves files from the workspace root. Keeping the correct folder open prevents path mismatches. Next, select the HTML file you want to host so the extension can target it directly. Now you launch and configure the server. Right-click your active HTML file and choose Open with Live Server, or click the Go Live button in the status bar. If the browser doesn't open, check the port number shown and open http://127.0.0.1 port manually. To change behavior, edit settings. JSON set live server. Settings, root live server. Settings, port and live server. Settings, custom browser. This ensures consistent paths and preferred browser. Adjusting the root avoids serving the wrong directory while preserving relative links. Finish by testing live reload. Enable auto-save or save a file and watch the browser update. When done, click the Go Live button to stop the server. Restart to apply new settings. If pages fail to load, check that firewall or another app isn't using the port. Change live server. Settings. Port to a free number if needed. One key tip. Open the Developer Tools console in the browser to spot CORS or file path errors quickly. Fixing the root path in settings usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.